In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix HiTV app not downloading. So if HiTV application is not downloading on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. The next reason can be that the Play Store on your device is not up to date. So for that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. Tap on this option about that you can see on the screen. Now you can see various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for Play Store version. Tap on this option, update Play Store, that you can see on the screen. Now the Play Store will be up to date. Now after you do that, try downloading the HiTV application and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, the problem might be caused because of the cache. So in that case, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Google Play Store and long press on it. Tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Google Play Store. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now you can see two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the cache will be cleared. After you do that, try downloading the HiTV application and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. There might be some temporary glitches in your device itself. So what you have to do is long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, try downloading the application and it will be downloaded. So that is how you fix HiTV app not downloading. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.